guys, welcome to another tutorial, and today I will be showing you how to crochet this headband. It's easy to make. I will show you step by step how to make this headband, and you will make just slip stitches and single crochets. I will work with this yarn. It's called Peru from Nako. It's my favorite yarn. It's thicker yarn and it contains 25% wool, 25% alpaca wool and 50% acrylic. And it's 100 grams and 130 meters. You will need 5 millimeters crochet hook, yarn needle, measuring tape, stitch markers and scissors. Okay, start with a slip knot and then chain 66 for an adult size. And you can use any other type of yarn, any other brand of yarn. It's up to you, but you have to try it because 66 chains for an adult size is just with 5 millimeters crochet hook and this yarn. Okay, and now we are going to join this foundation chain in a circle. So make sure you don't have the chain twisted. And then insert your crochet hook into the first chain and make a slip stitch. I'm going to start the first round with chain 1. So chain 1 and then make 1 single crochet in the next 25 chains. So here's the first chain where you have to make first single crochet. And you can use stitch marker. So I have 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and you have to make 25 single crochets in total. Okay, we made 25 single crochets and the green stitch marker is the beginning of the round. Make sure you have 25 single crochets, and now we are going to make slip stitches. I'm going to use a stitch marker so you can mark the last single crochet. And now we are going to make 1 slip stitch in the next 15 chains. This is how it looks like. And now we have 25 stitches, 25 chains left. So make one single crochet in the next 25 chains. This is first single crochet, so use stitch marker again. I'm at the end and I have 24 single crochets, so this is last chain where I have to make single crochet. So this is last single crochet, and now we have to join the round with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Next round, start with chain 1 and turn your work. And from the second round, we are going to use just back loop. So this is back loop. And make first single crochet. Use stitch marker again. This is first stitch, first single crochet. And you have to make 25 single crochets again, but not into the stitches. Use just back loop. So you have to make one single crochet into next 25 back loops. So you have to make one single crochet in first 25 back loops. Okay, this is how it looks like, and I have 2 stitches left. So this is 24, and here goes 25. So I have 25 single crochets. Now we are going to make slip stitches again. So you have to make 15 slip stitches. You have to make one slip stitch in the next 15 back loops. We will use only back loop in a whole pattern. So this is back loop. I have 15 slip stitches, and now make one single crochet in next 25 back loops. Use stitch marker again and continue working. At the end of each round, you have to make a slip stitch in the first stitch. And start every round with chain 1, turn your work and repeat it again. So turn your work, make 25 single crochets in back loops, then 15 slip stitches in back loops, and then 25 single crochets in back loops. Okay, so continue working like this, and I'm going to make 15 rounds. So you will make the same pattern like in previous round and make 15 or 16. It depends up to you. If you want to have your headband higher, you can make more rounds. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Now we have to weave the tail or both tails inside the headband. So I'm using yarn needle. Okay, it was starting tail, and now I want to show you invisible ending. So cut the yarn, pull it through like this. So in last round, don't use slip stitch. And now you can use yarn needle again, or you can use crochet hook. And pull this tail through the first stitch. And then go through the last stitch from above. So insert your needle into the middle of of last stitch like this. And it's invisible ending. And then you can weave the tail inside the headband. And I think I have too big yarn needles, so I'm going to use a smaller one. then cut the yarn, and that's all. So I hope you like the pattern. I hope it's understandable enough for you. You can leave the comment below the video if you like the video. You can put a thumb up and have a lovely day. Thank you for watching. See you soon.